los terroristas.
And do the Harlem Shake.
Okay, guys, we just got done with our Harlem Shake,
That sucked.
and he just got
Look at
squirted
this.
with yoga.
You're too close. I can't get it. You're on the way.
Look at this. Like, back up, Blake. Yeah, you come closer. So,
Blake, what'd you do on your pants?
Watch
Oh my-
this. Wait, come back here in the light.
I mean, come on. I mean, look at all this. This is all the yoga we used.
Okay, get out of
Look,
the way,
he
Andrew.
juiced himself.
I know, because you nailed me. Watch out.
No, he just hit you above the waist.
Okay, watch this, Nanny. Record my arm right here.
It ain't gonna come off.
Okay.
There's yogurt.
Thank you, guys.
Ah!
Thank you, guys, watching this. Push that red button.
Let's do
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this.